may we know where Secretary Sharon Green is?
I'm trying to verify, but I heard she's on her way to Malacanang at the time that we had the press con at 8:30 to 9:30, and she was on the way. Yes, this morning.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Just for the record, Senator Kiko, I actually told her that it's imperative that she brief us in person dahil ang isa sa pinakamalaking casualty dito ay energy sector. Pero may pinadala siya sa akin napakahabang schedule niya na hindi ko naman hiningi. In short, busy raw siya today. No? Pero sabi ko nga sa kanya, kung merong isang dahilan kung bakit tayo nandito ay dahil mataas ang presyo ng langis at hindi rin natin alam kung tuloy-tuloy pa yung supply natin. Kaya sana makarinig namin sa ating secretary kung ano ba yung kanyang plano. Kasi kung nawalan tayo ng supply ng langis, malaki ang ating problema. Nevertheless, pinadala niya yung kanyang mga undersecretary and I hope that the undersecretaries can commit a contingency plan, hindi lang motherhood statements, katulad ng sinabi ni Senator Lauren.
No less than the cabinet level should be here. Kung nandito ang SFA, bakit hindi yung iba? You're too busy? Is this not the most important thing? Admit there's a crisis. You must have a crisis action plan. And not that we don't appreciate the presence of a dear friend, Yusek Wimpy Fentabella, of course, who's very competent, who's been with the DOE for quite a while. But to give it the importance, if Sec Rex and Sec T. Laurel could be here, why should the DOE secretary be exempted from this? When DBM is here, pag kayo and NEDA, pag kayo ay humihingi ng mga budget ninyo, maski overnight, nandyan kayo. Pero pag crisis action plan, marami kayong dahilan. The Senate will not allow that. Unless you are not admitting that we are in a crisis situation. Then you're lost in translation o nahihibang. Because everyone must act as if we were an ICU situation. That's how it should be. So wala pa ang ibang kabinete dito. Pag sa ibang bagay, mabilis pa sa alas 4. Pero sa krisis, wala. Ano ba kayo?